So today we will be doing self-navigating. It's not, I don't think it's a river, but okay. This trail looks like no shit trail at all, but it's not clearly mentioned how to go over there. Entering into the Cork Common Park. This is one of the entrance to the trail where we are going today. Don Valley River Trail. And this is one of the entrance for that trail. So today we will be doing self-navigating. It looks like I have to go from over there. This should be the starting of the trail. So what is Don River Valley Trail? It basically connects downtown Toronto with North York, and it's almost 32 plus kilometers of trail. पूरा green corridor है, running, cycling, walking, you can do everything. Depends upon year to year. Sometimes the trail is closed. Some parts of the trail are usually closed because of maintenance. Then you have to detour and again join back to the main trail. The whole trail is parallel to the Don River. इसको लोग लोअर डॉन रिवर ट्रेल के नाम से भी जानते हैं. इसी तरीके से सिटी के बीच में से नीचे से काफ़ी सारे ब्रिजों के हाईवे के नीचे से ट्रेल जा रही होती है. द आइडिया इज़ to give you the feeling of a forest like place longer enough to 30 kilometers within between the city, between Toronto. इसमें शुरू के पार्ट में ये ट्रेल थोड़ी कुछ सिंपल रोड की तरह है. इनिशियली हम लोग लोअर डाउनटाउन से कनेक्ट होके ऑलमोस्ट रोजडेल तक जाएंगे, जहाँ से कंप्लीट जंगल स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. द ट्रेल इज कमिंग फ्रॉम देयर एंड नाउ यू कैन सी लुक हाउ nasty it looks. This is downtown Toronto, lower downtown. Runners, you should not do these things on the trail. If you are consuming gels and any other item, please do not throw them on the trail. This does not look good. It's just downtown Toronto. Look, another gel. Another gel. What kind of stupidity is this? Look, another gel. We have entered to the trail. I'm really enjoying. There's a train route over there. There's a highway over the bridge. We have detoured into the trail now. Coming from there. There's a subway going on the bridge. So apparently beneath that's the highway above, and beneath the highway that's the subway track. Below is another highway, and parallel to there is a trail, and just beside we have train tracks. And the route has started looking beautiful. All of this is graffiti art. I think in India, in Mumbai, Delhi, Goa, everywhere, we do such beautiful graffiti. And I was so confused that just the place where we came from, the train track, there is a path going over there and there is a path going just this side. I think it must be seeming looking confusing in the camera, but what happened was there's a board. Yes, the board is here. Let me show you. This board. It's opposite. It says trail closed 1 kilometer ahead. So I was confused how to go there, and I used my Google map to check next landmark from this place in the trail, and also it was showing me to go opposite to the trail and go into the city and then join back. I was so confused. It was adding 3.5 kilometers extra, so I thought let's give it a try. I asked few people, and I asked a guy, and he said yeah, I disclosed, but you can go bypass it. So yeah, we're gonna try this. Let's see if the trail is actually closed or we can bypass and go over there. Strava tells me I'm 8 kilometers on my route, and as mentioned, it's not, I don't think it's a river, but okay, at least still better. I don't know. This is the river they mentioned, Don River. And that's where we are going. By the way, I just noticed and I thought of acknowledging that this trail looks like no shit trail at all till now, even after 8 or 9 kilometers. It's all cemented route, not a trail. yet. I don't know if there's another way. I apologize, but it's not clearly mentioned how to go over there. So apparently this is the way, this is the fence they have put on to close the trail, and people are coming like this, and similar way I came into the trail, and it is open. Thank God I didn't go 3.5 kilometers all the wrong way just because of that message, and communication with the people really helped. So you can cross that and enter into the trail again. Some construction ahead too. So there are 4 main entrances into this trail. The one we entered was Creektown Common. It was the south entrance of the trail from the downtown Toronto. Then there is middle entrance, which is from the Green Park, Evergreen Brickworks. Then from east side Taylor Creek Park, and from north side Sunnybrook Village. Look how all the petals of this tree have completely fallen down onto the ground. On the way to the trail, this is an iron bridge made of iron over the Don River, and we just, I think, maybe crossed a highway underneath. I can see the city cycle hops over there. So we have reached to the Taylor Creek Park, which is the east town entrance. I didn't even notice when did we cross the mid-town entrance of the Green Park Valley, because I love that park. Okay, let's see. Still, I don't trust. Anything can happen. Let's see. So almost 15 kilometers into the trail. This is what it looks like. Not at all looks like the trail we did in the Albion Ascent in the Hamilton. That was a class. I really like that. Again, there is a sign, danger due to the construction, trail closed. Oh, because I can see people on the bridge, but bridge here does not have easy way to go on to. Is the trail closed over there?
No, it's all open.
Okay.
It's all
Thank you so much. So I forgot to hit the record button, and I've eaten this much of chocolate. So this is the chocolate I actually brought with me. It's full of nuts. I still didn't eat the almond. I noticed just right now, and the layer behind is full of chocolate. Let me break it down for you. It's chewy, nutty, of course, chocolatey, a little bit of salty. So it contains 170 calories, and we'll put back our wrapper into our bag so that we do not pollute the trail. This is the another wrapper. I ate one chocolate onto the route. Yeah, I think I brought an omelette with me. It was my breakfast. I had 2 omelette in my breakfast. I ate one at that time. Second I brought with me typical Indian spicy masala omelette. Okay, it's so cold, but that's what you get in the adventure, and I'm pretty sure that it will taste exactly delicious I ate in the morning. The taste of green chili, it brings all the punch in the Indian food flavor. I love green chili flavor a lot. The chef is my wife. So tasty sandwich. I love it. 10 out of 10. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Someone has tied down a swing to this beautiful tree, but this is so eerie. People are playing golf over here. We have to go from this place. We came just from over there. I came from this whole path towards up and now going towards here. I think the trail has ended and I have completed the trail, and this is the old train route. I don't think this actually works, but maybe, who knows. And this is an iron bridge which is rusted badly. I can see there is a bend over there, but anyways, let's focus on my path now. I am almost covered. So guys, at the end of the trail there was a stretch of a little bit of uphill, and I've reached to some place. There is some electricity transformers over there. There is a big yard over there. I don't know for what, maybe planes or something else. I think it's a hydro power plant. This is the Hydro One Bermondsey electric transmission station. This is not power plant. And we have reached to the main highway, North York. Now I have to look for my public transport, or maybe if I can find a city cycle, which can really help me. Let's see what happens. Now we'll have to go back home. Not back to the trail, but via a different route.